60 days until Yukon River Quest 2026. This is the 23Zero Peregrine Pro 180 awning. This one comes in olive green on the top and on the sides. There's only one door right here with the wall kit. Super easy to open up. I used the factory mounts. I put 3 of them on my front runner rack. So there's one, there's 2 here, and the third one's right here. It went on in about 20 minutes, 6 bolts to secure it. This has a 2 light kit. They don't change colors, they're only white. And you have to plug in here, and then you run your cables along. You have to plug in here, and then it's a USB to go into, I've got a solar generator right here, Jackery. See if we can get that in there. Super easy. It doesn't have as much coverage, but I just wanted something on the driver's side. I need to remount my GMRS antenna, probably right here. I just needed to see what the clearance is going to be, and that folds down just like my WeBoost for my cell phone antenna. This folds down when we set up the tent. We can't set up a leg over here because it would hit the truck, but I just tied off to the front bumper. I'll show you that. And this wall kit is one complete wall, whereas the Awnings is separate panels. There's 5 panels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the Awnings, and this has 1, 2, 3, 4 lights in it versus 2. This is the 270, and I've got this mounted lower, which is great because the 270 starts right here and just clears, goes right over it, so there's no interference there. And you see my cable coming to tie off to my roof rack. So this works out great. I don't know how often we're going to use the wall kits, but just to set it up, it's a 1.5 minute setup. Here's the 180 strap, just hooked to my bumper. I actually like these straps better, so I might order some of these with the ratchet in it. These are like a bungee cord versus a strap, but yeah, you can see it just goes in. I might have too much tension on this pulling down on it, but it's going to drain. Get a little drizzle here. So again, the 180 is olive green, and then the Awnings is all black. The Awnings 270. Easy setup, very happy with it. The kayak will be mounted right down the center, 18 feet, and then we'll carry our Typhoon gear bags from front runner on top, and maybe some Scepter water cans or something, and then we'll put the rest of the gear in the bed of the truck. There we go, Yukon River Quest 2026.